Say, Doc, you trying to get yourself in trouble with the law here? This ain't wabbit hunting season. It's not? No, it's duck hunting season. That, sir, is an investigative fabrication. It is wabbit hunting season. Duck season, wabbit season, duck season, wabbit season, duck season, wabbit season, wabbit season, duck season, wabbit season. I say it's duck season, I say fire. Let's try that again. Okay, I'll start this time. Right. Wabbit season. Duck season. Wabbit season. Wabbit season. Duck season. Fire! Okay, this time you start. Whatever you say. Wabbit. Duck. Fire! What's the matter? Everything's upside down. That's strange. Can't make heads or tails of things. Wabbit season. Duck season. Wabbit season. Duck season. Wabbit season. Duck season. Uh-oh. Shh, be very, very quiet. We're hunting Elmer's.